Good afternoon. My name is Adelaida. I am from the Citra Bakti Ngada High School of Teacher Training and Education, a third semester music education study program. Here I will describe the Kelimutu National Park. This national park is located in the East Nusa Tenggara region of Indonesia, to be precise on the island of Flores. I made this video to meet the scores for an English course assignment. Kelimutu National Park is an area that has a very beautiful panorama typical of the islands in East Nusa Tenggara, Indonesia. The sensation of adventure in Kelimutu National Park will never be forgotten, considering that it takes extra struggle to reach the Kelimutu National Park, especially for those of you who live outside the Nusa Tenggara area. There have been many tour packages that offer to go on a natural tourism vacation to this national park, so you don't need to worry too much if you want to visit one of the natural paradise in Indonesia. Kelimutu National Park is a paradise for bird watchers and nature lovers. This national park, located in Flores, East Nusa Tenggara, is popular as a paradise for birdsong. Kelimutu National Park has the potential to be a bird watching spot. There are about 50 species of birds that have been identified. One type of bird in the Kelimutu National Park is the Garugiwa bird or the Flores hairbird. The bird has a loud voice and is seen in nature. That's why this bird is difficult to see even though the chirp is so loud. Local residents believe the Garugiwa bird is the incarnation of the spirit of the guardian of Lake Kelimutu. This Garugiwa bird is interesting for further research. It is difficult to find this bird species in other places, but in Kelimutu National Park, there are several points of Garugiwa territory along the tourist route. In this Kelimutu National Park, tourists can observe night or nocturnal birds found in Kelimutu National Park. In the Kelimutu National Park, there are 70 to 8 types of trees that grow in this national park, which are classified into 30 to 6 tree bases. Meanwhile, the flora species as a whole reach 100 species, and 2 of them are endemic plants. Doing tours in natural areas is always interesting to do. Likewise, in Kelimutu National Park, which has long been famous for its various natural charms that are so interesting to visit. Thank you.